Hey, good afternoon, YouTubers. Frances is back. Got another sign again. Okay, well, I got audio and everything's working fine. Uh, it's 2 o'clock, 2 p.m., Saturday afternoon. The AT&T technician finally showed up 2 hours ago at noon, and they ran some continuity checks. Apparently, my apartment wall connections weren't connected down the end of the building. So this was not a storm-related loss. Apparently, I was accidentally disconnected and lost my phone and internet service for 10 days until the guy just hooked me up less than 2 hours ago. So anyways, I'm making this quick video. I made videos while my service was down. I'll be posting them later today. I made about 6 or 7 videos, and so you can catch up with Frances if you got the time. But all my videos, if you put them minute to minute, is probably about an hour's worth. So I don't know, it's up to you. But anyways, that's all I want to say right now because I want to upload this real quick so everybody gets something in their feed. I'm okay. Nothing's wrong with Frances. Just didn't have phone or internet service for 10 days. And believe me, that has been an experience I don't want to ever repeat. And, I have a counseling appointment Wednesday in 3 days. No, Tuesday in 3 days. And I have to pay for that. And I just did not have the money to go out and buy a cell phone, folks. I'm sorry, but I'm on a limited budget, and so that's all I have to say about that. So, anyways, just hope nobody suffered too awful hard. I mean, this was not intentional, and I'm sorry it happened, and I apologize, but it really wasn't my fault. Circumstances beyond my control. So, anyways, you'll be seeing me very soon, in a few hours, because I'm going to start uploading videos this afternoon, okay? Love you all and miss you all, and I'm so happy I can chooch tonight. Okay, love you all. Bye.